Hi students, today we are going to see the new grammar in the grammar book, possessive nouns. Okay. Possessive nouns. Possessive noun means nothing. We are saying mine. It's mine. It is my thing. It is hers. It is his thing. Likewise, we can use, right? This is my book. It is Jocelyn's book. So, apostrophe s will added. This is the main thing. Apostrophe s. Okay, see here. This is Srija's bed. See there, apostrophe s is added. See in the picture, and neighbors. Neighbors means it is a group, right? So, after the yes, we want to put apostrophe. And sister's birthday. Sister is a single thing. So, we put apostrophe yes. Now, first Roman letter in page number 11, underline the nouns in the sentences given below. In the first one, give me the blue book. Which is the possessive noun here? Book. Book only we are denoting, right? So, underline the word book. And the next one, Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi also and also India. So, underline the both word Delhi, India. She is a very clever girl. What we want to underline possessive noun as girl. And when will you come to my house? House is the word. Underline. And my brother is taller than me. Which is the word we want to underline here? Brother. Very good. Next, when we add an apostrophe and an yes after a noun, the noun becomes a possessive noun. If we added the apostrophe and yes means it becomes possessive noun. Okay, a single thing using apostrophe yes, it is changes into possessive noun. And now, next one, a possessive noun indicates possession or ownership. I already told mine, yours, his, right? It shows that someone or something belongs to someone or something else. Noun plus apostrophe plus s is possessive noun. What is mean by possessive noun? Noun plus apostrophe plus yes, which means possessive noun. Noun kuda apostrophe சேர்த்து yes சேர்த்தா அது வந்து possessive noun. Noun என்னது? ஒரு person இல்லட்ட animal ஒரு things mention பண்றது தான் noun. அந்த noun கூட apostrophe சேர்த்து yes சேர்த்தோம்னா it is possessive noun. Okay? Now let us learn the different rules for forming possessive noun. And here is the rule for possessive noun, and the first rule is to change a singular noun into a singular possessive noun, add yes after the noun. Noun க்கு அப்புறம் yes சேர்த்தோம்னா it is the first rule. Okay, brothers, for example, see here, example, brothers, brother போட்டு apostrophe yes, noun we adding apostrophe yes. And the second rule, to change an irregular plural noun into possessive noun, add yes after the plural form. Okay, for the plural form, irregular plural form, we adding plural form. Okay, plural, it is very important. Plural form we adding yes. Example, children, it is the plural form, then we put apostrophe s. Okay, this is the second rule. And the third rule, to change a regular plural noun that's end with an yes into a possessive noun, add only an apostrophe after the word. Don't add an yes after the apostrophe, which means it is the regular plural noun that ends with an yes. Regularly it is end with, okay, regular it is end with yes means we want to put after the word, after the letter s, apostrophe we want to put after the letter yes. okay, girls adukapra da apostrophe podanum, okay, if it is in regular s, okay. And next and this is the 3 rule we are going to learn. See, come to the exercise, page number 13, second one. Rewrite these group of words using a possession noun. First one, the weight of the dog. See, the dog's weight. So, dog, apostrophe, yes. And the second one, the pets of Raju. How we can say? Raju's pet. What is the first one? Raju's, apostrophe, yes, pets. And second one, the owner of the cars. What? How we can say owner's car? Owner's cars. Okay. Next, third one. Sorry, first one already given there, so it is second, and it is third, and it is fourth. Right. Now we are moving to fourth one. The washroom for ladies. 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 It is in plural form. What is the thing? Yes, ladies. So we want to use plural form. So we, after the yes, we want to put apostrophe. Ladies washroom. Okay. Next, fifth one. The President of the United States. United States President. States President. Okay, now underline the correct form of the noun. Okay, Raj's shirt. Which will come after the yes, apostrophe will come or before the yes? Yes, before the yes answer, because it is his, right? So first one, which is the answer? Raj's. Okay. And the second one, my twin sisters. Sisters. So after yes, the apostrophe will come. And third one, elephant. Which one will come? Yes, elephants. Okay. Next, fourth one, mothers. One mother. So apostrophe, yes, mothers. And the fifth one, uncles. Apostrophe, yes, uncles. And let me move to the next one, Children's Day. How we want to write Children's Day? Children, already we learned here. See, plural. Children, apostrophe, yes. So what is the answer? Children's. Children's. Then second one, school will remain closed on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day. So we want to write teachers, then apostrophe. Next, third one, peoples. Okay, peoples, apostrophe, then yes. Next, fourth one, manders. Mander is a man, so mander, then apostrophe, yes. Next, fifth one, Jagan is a man, so Jagan, apostrophe, yes. Sixth one, artist. Okay. Next one, everyone's. See, for the plural form, everyone after apostrophe. Okay. Now next, second one. First one is already there, so let me move to the second one. Page number 14. Many animals live in Indias. See, apostrophe, yes, Indias. Next one, Moses, his room. Okay, so Moses. Next, fourth one, Subots. Okay, Subots. Next one, children. Already we learned plural, children's. Okay, now let me recap. Nouns which indicate that someone or something belongs to someone or something else are called possessive nouns. Already I told someone or something that is belonging, okay, indicate that. The standard form of a possessive noun is noun plus, yes, noun plus apostrophe plus, yes, this is the standard form. This is the rule we want to use, right? And third one, to change an irregular plural noun into a possessive noun, yes, added after the word, okay. Here plural form we add apostrophe and yes. Then to change a regular plural noun that ends in an yes into a possessive noun, only an apostrophe is added after the word. See here, for regular s, after the word apostrophe should be used. Okay, now let me move to the next one, adjectives. Okay, now we are moving to the topic adjectives. Adjectives of quality. Okay, we are talking about qualitative and quantitative. Okay, now we are going to learn about the topic qualitative or quantitative adjectives. Okay, quality means we can take this cloth as the, yes, it is the quality material. Yes, how we can say we are knowing about the quality. Yes, it is good quality, it is bad quality, right? And the quantity means it is nothing, it is the size, measurement, right? How we can say alavu, in Tamil we can say alavu, yes, hold the hand, okay, half the hand, half of my hand, like this we can say the quantity. Okay, quality means it is showing the thing which is good or bad, and quantity means it is the measurement. Okay, now let me move to the page number 15. See, long, tasty, beautiful, for. Here long is answering the question how, and tasty is answering the question what, and beautiful and for is answering the question how many and what kind. See here, words that tell us more about nouns or pronouns are called adjectives. Adjectives means it tell about the pronouns or nouns, it is called adjectives. It in lower class we learn what is meant by adjective. Adjectives means nothing, it shows the color, it talk about the color, shape, size, yes, color, black color, yellow color, like that, size, long, short, small, big, okay. Then color, shape, rectangle, triangle, likewise. Okay, these is adjectives. Now circle the adjectives, page number 16, circle the adjectives and underline the nouns. They give information about. Okay, if there is adjective means we want to circle and noun means we want to underline. Okay, Vinitha is a tall girl. Tall is an adjective. How tall is an adjective? She is a tall girl. It is describing, right? Describing about a noun. So it is tall. So circle the tall and underline the girl. The pizza is very hot. Pizza is the noun. So underline the noun pizza, and hot is the adjective here. It is very hot. So circle the hot. And I love to read short stories. Short, it is the denoting the stories, right? So it is the adjective here. So circle the short, and stories, it is a noun here. So underline the stories. And Hina's brother is a good singer. Good or bad, it denotes to the quality, right? So good, you want to, it is an adjective, so you want to circle good and singer underline. And now next one, I lost my new pen. minute, it is the adjective, so circle, and pen is a noun, so underline. Okay, now types of adjectives. Already I told about types of adjectives. Adjectives has two types, qualitative adjective and quantitative adjectives. Okay, first one, quantitative adjectives. First one, we are going to learn about the quantitative adjectives, and adjective that tell us about the quantity or position of the noun and answering to the question how much, how many, first, second and last. These are come under the quantitative adjectives. How much and how many. Okay, next first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, all comes under this, and last. Okay, these are the adjectives of quantitative. These are the adjectives of quantitative. See here, half, whole, enough, a little, any, third. See, all the words are saying the measurement. Half means paadi, alavu, and whole, full, it is also the quantitative. Enough, podum, podumana alavu irukku. Okay, next, a little, chinnada, kutti. Okay, and any, edunalum. Third, first, second, last, third, it will come under quantitative adjectives. And none, edume illa, alavu, alave illa. And also most, naraiya, a few, konjam, and it says the correct number also. It is comes under the quantitative adjective. See here, underline the adjectives of quantity in the second in the sentences below. Page number 17. I need 4 ruled notebooks. I told if there is number means it is definitely it is a quantitative adjective. It is very easy to find. So underline the word 4. And the next one, will you have some coffee? Some. It is a measurement, alavu, right? So some. And any. In the next line, any. And in the next line, a few. It is very easy, right? And next one, little more. Konju kuda. Okay? Little more. So underline little more. And half. And the next line, whole, full. Okay? Now next we are moving to the next one. Now look at these sentences, page number 17. Okay, Reshma is the tallest, and next one, red, yellow, it denotes the color. Okay, fast, happy. See here, now we are going to learn about qualitative. Okay, quantitative already we learned. It can answer the question how much, how many, and first, second, last. We can take it, we can remember it easily, alavu, measurement, right? And now we are moving to the type of adjective, qualitative. Okay, qualitative. An adjective that describes the quality of a noun. It can answer the question what kind. It can answer the question what kind. Okay, or what type. What kind or what type. This can answer the question what kind or what type is called qualitative adjective. See here, friendly. She is the friendly type girl. And beautiful. She is a beautiful girl. And what kind? What type of color? Blue color. Okay, useful. Okay. And now let me move to the next one, page number 18. Underline the adjectives of quality. See here in the first line, Gandhiji was known as an honest man. Which is the answer here? Honest. It says the quality. He is a good man, honest man, நேர்மையான மனிதன். So honest. Underline the honest. Next one, hot. It is very hot day. So hot. Underline the word hot. Rifat has long silky hair. Which is the answer here? Long silky. What type of hair he has? What type? Answer the question what type. So long silky. And next one, sad, sad face. So underline the word sad. And the next one, funniest. Underline the word funniest. And Nisha is a kind. What kind? Kind means this kind is, shows the type. Okay. For this kind, irakam. Okay. And helpful. She is a helpful. She can help to others. So underline the word kind, helpful. And next one, Sadish has asked me to bring the 30 plastic cups. Here what we want to underline? Plastic. And now next one, color the adjectives of quantity pink and the adjectives of quality yellow in the grid given below. It is very easy, so it is your homework. Okay, you can just say and think. If answer the question these two, and if come with this means we want to give quantitative. If answer the question what kind, what type means we want to give qualitative. For the quantitative you want to give pink color, and for the qualitative you want to give yellow color. This is your homework, right? Okay, let me move to the next one. Look at the underlined word and find the sentence. Okay, identify quantity or quality. We want to find. Okay, see, old. Old means it shows what type. Okay, what kind. So it is qualitative. So write adjectives of qualitative. Quality. Okay, adjectives of quality. And the second one, there were 12 green means it is what type of color. So same thing, adjectives of quality. And next one, frightening, what kind? He is a frightening boy. So frightening means bayam. Okay, so it comes under quality. And the fourth one, the baby slept 4. It is a number. Number come means you can blindly you can say the answer quantitative. So what is the answer? Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Next one, some also it comes under how much, how many. So we can use quantity. And next one, fantastic. It shows what type. So it is comes under quality, right? And the next one, last. Where is the last? It is quantitative. So quantity. Okay, now last page we are coming. Page number 19. Look at the picture given below. Write a sentence on each using an adjective. Then write whether the adjective shows the quality or quantity. Okay. See here, I have 3 mangoes. Adjective 3. Underline the word and 3 shows the quantity. They refer that number nale we should write quantitative. Okay, now we are going to describe the ball. You can put any one name. Okay. Bought a red ball from the market. It shows what it shows. Second one, I can write Bala, right? Bala bought a red ball from the market. Okay, see here I denoted the adjective here red. So red denotes what? Red shows the quality, right? What type of color? Red type. So it is adjectives of quality. Okay, And next one, third one, I am going to describe this man. I can give him a name Alex. Okay, Alex can lift up to, Alex can lift up to 50 kilograms. Okay, 50 kilograms. So 50 number, the number will come means it is definitely quantitative. Adjectives of quantitative, or otherwise we can say quantity. Okay, adjectives of quantity. Next, fourth one, the child is lying on the bed, so he is sick, right? So how we can write the child is extremely sick. Here the word sick. Sick shows what? What type of a child? He is a sick child. So it shows adjectives of quality. Okay students, I hope you all clear about the topic, which can answer the question how much, how many, first, second, third or last means it is refers to the quantitative, and what kind and what type means it refers to the type qualitative. Okay, this is easy, right? Okay, thank you students.